I love the pool. My family loves the pool. I have 4 boys. That between them and their friends, I think this is, I would say, it's safe to say, the place to be all summer for them. It has exceeded all of our expectations for sure. Yeah, we have the ledge here. That's great to kind of sit around and chat and talk. But and the kids absolutely love everything about the pool, the waterfalls, the lights at night. Everything has met our needs perfectly. Yeah, like I said, I have 4 boys, so we are always busy back here. Being at the beach, we usually go to the beach during the week. We don't touch it during the weekends. We are back here enjoying the backyard, the pool, the outdoor kitchen, parties quite often, and people are always stopping by to take advantage of it. So it's exactly what we wanted, a place for everybody to enjoy, and we're definitely doing that. Yeah, the sun ledge is great. We love that. It's probably where I spend most of my time. The swim out ledge in the deep end is fantastic. I hadn't really seen one before until we got this pool installed. That's great, and the kids love the waterfalls. And like I said, at night with the lights on, it looks beautiful, and it's just a great place to hang out. From the beginning, when we met Tom, he was clearly knowledgeable, true to everything that he said. We threw him some curveballs. He handled them perfectly. We had a lot of construction going on. He worked great with the other contractors that were here. And I'll tell you, probably the biggest thing, and anyone that asks me, I say this, Tom is a problem solver. We ran into some hiccups, and he was able to solve them. Came up with solutions that other folks couldn't come up with, and they knocked it out of the park for sure. I would recommend them 100% every single time I'm asked. I have nothing but good things to say about Tom. All of his guys were great. They're real professionals for sure. I would 1,000% recommend them.